Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your camera on in Windows 10. So I'm going to show you how you can turn your computer camera on in Windows 10. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, just want to start out to click on our start menu right here. Click on that, and then I want us to visit our settings. Click on settings, right? And then once you've done that, this should be opening up. Now I want you to click on privacy right here. Click on privacy, and then once you are on privacy, I want you to scroll down here, and then you will see you have this camera right here. So click on that, and then now as you can see, mine is on, so camera access for this device is on. So if yours is off and you want to turn it on, just click on change, right? And then you should be seeing this, right? So make sure this is turned on. Click on here to turn it on, right? So that's how you can turn it on. But then if you want it off, you can unmark this. So yeah, that's how you can turn your camera on or off in Windows 10. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Now if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.